In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to get to Privacy. Select Permission Manager and pick any feature to manage by clicking on it. Now select one of your apps under one of those categories and tap on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. When you finished, just go back. You can also select an app and instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!